Good morning. We're heading to another trip today, courtesy of Wow Korea and the Korea Tourism Organization, and we're going to a place very near to Seoul, very accessible, and I think a lot of you would really want to visit if you go to South Korea. As you all know, probably most of you are familiar with the different spots in Seoul. But if you're looking for adventure outside of Seoul, like probably 30 minutes away from Seoul, this place is one of the highly recommended spots because of its historical reference and the things that you can do in this place. So let's go! Maling line 1 yung nasakyan. Okay. Yung line 1 kasi na yan, marami siyang napupuntahang lugar. And unfortunately, maling line 1 yung nasakyan ko. Itong line 1 na to, station to. Yung station. Nandito tayo. Ibang station. Mali. So maghanap tayo ng bus. Hintay lang tayo ng bus dito. Dito yan. Bus number 3. Pero hindi siya makikita kasi siguro na lang. Ang layo natin. Now I have to wait for 20 minutes. Ay, pabo. Labas na tayo. We're at Iwang Station. First time going around this area, so hindi ko rin alam kung what to expect. Pero mukhang maganda naman siya and marami ring attractions nearby. So let's eat first since it's already 12:05. Hassle talaga na ng maling station, maling subway ang nasakyan. So better watch out for that para hindi kayo mag-aya sa akin. Mukha lang mainit pero hindi yan talaga mainit. I mean, kasi it's starting to feel like it's autumn. So ganito na yung area ng Korea. Again, we're here at Myeongnyok. We are here in Railroad Museum. So the actual rail train. So I think this place is for kids, but you can still explore this place and learn more about the history, especially of the railroad here in South Korea. So no, not allowed. Pets are also not allowed, and running inside. Here is the fee, 2001. Let's go. After paying 2,000, you'll get this. 예쁘다. Well, oh, I think you can go inside. There's a ramp here. Ayun yung yellow. Ano, may daan eh. They say this is the presidential rail. So I'm not sure if what's inside. It's closed. 오락하지 마세요. 알았어. Inside the building, I think this is more of the proper museum location. Kasi yung mga nasa labas mostly are mga artifacts or artifacts, not really, mga used trains hindi naman kasya sa loob. Let's go! So, bawal ang drinks. Pero we're inside. This is a train. Well, a replica for sure. Pero ito yung ganyan siya. Dito siya sa may left side mo pagpasok. Tan. And then, what are these? Ah, opening. Yung mga lines. Yan siya. Uy, Muguro. Seoul to Busan was from 1939 to 1945. Oh. You know, I like Korea. Sobrang ganda nung... Oh my God. Prioritize talaga nila yung subway, public transportation in general. So, sa Korea, even the rich people, they are riding the public transportation, which is very nice. That's actually a sign of a good public transportation. If even the rich people are using it, because it's convenient. Say this is their former transportation. Well, it is, because you can go inside, and then that's where, if on the real size, for real life size, people go inside and sit, and they're being transported using that one. Unfortunately, there's a misspelled dynasty. There's so many kids. So, hindi naman sila nag-start ng bullet train agad. Tsaka usually yan, steam plow or ginagamit nila. So, moving forward, yung mga nakikita natin sa line 1. ITX, KTX, wow. Meron din silang railroad diorama.
네, 제가 잠깐 안내 말씀을 좀 드리도록 하겠습니다. 저희 박물관은요, 첩도를 주제로 해서 전문으로 해서 해설사 선생님들이 계십니다. 그분들이 특별히
If you wanna watch, ito yung mga viewing time nila. For weekends, may additional viewing time. Tao dun sa diorama. So, akyat na lang tayo ng second floor. Parang bihira ako mag-KTX kasi, well, medyo pricey siya. Tsaka bihira akong pumunta dun sa Busan part. Ayan. Punta ulit tayo dito. As mentioned, this place is just 2,000 pero sobrang daming makikita and not bad for 2,000. Sobrang ma-appreciate mo kasi talaga ang Korea when it comes to public transportation. I think, based sa mga napuntahan ko, like, mga-compare ko lang naman is Singapore, Vietnam, Taiwan, Philippines, Korea is yung best dun sa mga nabanggit. Not just with railroad, pero buses and like yung efficiency ng lahat, which I like the most. Classic tap. Before, ipapasok mo yung card, tapos lalabas doon. That's what I used in Taiwan. May iba't ibang changes how it developed. Ito yung makikita. And the good thing is, yung mga ganitong, meron naman isang English. Not all, pero at least meron. It's okay. The cross. Yan. there was
불안 들어오나?
Korean, then English.
아, 꺼놨구나.
Korean. KTX 20 years, I think. Matagal. Sobrang efficient din talaga ng KTX. Meron din sila dito multimedia area. So if you want to check, meron din naman. Going to EUM. No, KTX EUM. I think ang second floor lang. Sa third floor, bawal pang umakyat. So, lalabas na tayo dito. Pero sobrang, it's nice. And may elevator din naman pala sila. So, dito na tayo bababa. Here are some of the trains. Ito yung mga dating train.
크게 얘기를 해야 들리지. 알겠어. 중중.
Ito yung mga pwedeng pumasok dito. Yan. Let's go inside. Let's go inside. Finally. Parang hindi naman ganito. Itong luwag. Ganito ba talaga kaluwag dati? Tapos naka-fan lang. Ayan o. Electric fan lang. Imagine mo nung mainit. Of the places are locked, so you cannot go inside. Kacha, ang init. Biglang pinagpawisan. Well, ang daming lakad, so nakakapagod din siya. Nakakapawis din. Also a store. I think you can buy like, this is a mini store. You can buy stuff from here. It was nice meeting you. I enjoyed seeing the stuff here. Let's go to our next destination. Lake. Let's go. Kita nyo na ba yung rail na yan? Saan tayo allegedly pupunta? And this is the lake. Area na to, I rarely see foreigners go here. Tapos even Koreans, most of them would go here by car. Pero hindi sila usually naglalakad sa kalsada or bike. Bibihira. And of course, weekends. So expected ko na medyo maraming tao. Pero, it's not the case. So this is a good place to visit and explore. Kasi marami kayong makikita. One was the museum. The other one is itong rail bike experience. Which is pupuntahan na natin ngayon. If you're hungry, meron ditong tindahan. Toast siya. 3,000 lang naman siya. Not bad. May coffee na rin. So, ganito siya. I think it's really autumn season. Since nagbabagsakan na yung mga dahon and color. Yellow na sila. Kita nyo ba? Layo pala niya. Ang layo niya. From the museum. May lakad din. Siguro I've been walking for 10 minutes. Well, it's okay. The weather is nicer. May sunlight pero the weather is cooler compared to the past few weeks. So okay na rin yun. Hindi tayo masyadong dugyot. Here, Ewang rail bike. I still don't know how to read this. It's Ewang rail bike. And but wala naman sumasakay. Ang dami niyang peony jumps. So, hindi naman kayo magugutom. Yeah. Let's buy some ticket first. bago tayo sumakay, syempre kailangan bumili ka muna talaga ng ticket. Okay, I got the ticket pero alas 3 pa siya. So mag-ikot muna tayo. Gusto kong pumunta dun, oh. Ayan. Ganito yung area niya sa gitna. Medyo ano din, presko din yung hangin, I like. Kasi marami ring trees, tapos green, and then may shade din from the sun. Hello! It's moving. Cute. Maganda talaga yung weather kapag maraming puno. Ingay naman. May construction pala kasi. Fountain din sila sa banda. Kasi yan, yung mga picnic area. I think may mga nare-renta ang mga picnic mats nearby. So if you're interested in doing that, yan, pwede naman kayo dito. Nature. So if it's windy, not possible. So have other stuff here, Skyrail and Adventure. Here are the prices and the time available, and also the age allowed. Once you have purchased your ticket, Skyrail is here, but Adventure is here. Oh. But this is just for kids. So let's see. Thing sa Adventure. Parang saya niya. Pero pang bata lang kasi. Hanggang age 9 to 24. Bata compared to my age. So hindi na ako pwede. Napuntahan kong place talaga. Mga pang bata. Ayan o. Sana talagang sakyan yun eh. Kaso bawal daw kasi mahangin. Malas! Ayun oh. There oh. Anyway, wala naman tayo magagawa. For sure for safety reasons din. Kaya ganon. But, oh! Yo! Solita. Ito yung makikita nyo. Ayan. 배고나다. So ito yung nagbayad ka na, pagod ka pa. Ha? Hindi siya nakakatuwa. Naman, bayad na ako, nag-exercise pa. Ay. Inabot ako ng pawis. Ay, siya. Sobrang nakakapagod. Tiring. But now, after the Iwang Rail Bike experience, I'll be heading to the next direction. And next location will be in Starfield Suwon. So let's go there. Today is very tiring. Kaya nag-taxi na papunta ng Starfield. Also wala rin kami mahanap na sasakyan or ng subway papuntang Starfield. It's easier this way para less walk. And it's comparatively cheap. 10,000 won lang naman siya, which is like 400 pesos. Not bad. So see you in Starfield. Starfield. Saan tayo? 엄청 많아. Yan. Obviously, it's a weekend, so marami talagang tao dito. And expect nyo na yan, pag weekend talaga, people go to malls, you know, just to relax, chill out, enjoy, have family time. On the 4th floor of Starfield Suwon, these books, and this is where the new famous library is located. I hope you can hear me. And here is the library. Ito siya. Ayan. Ganda ba? That's where we're heading. Vinyl. 18,500. Yan. Tawag nila vinyl. Commonly known as LP. Just have to put the vinyl inside. Tapos close mo lang and then click start. That's it. Gagana na siya. Instructions naman, so and may English, so you don't have to worry about. So marami silang choices. OST, mga soundtrack, then K-pop, marami din, of course. But K-pop, tapos sorry. Dito ako K-pop, tapos ito. Mga pop music. I got this. Marami mga bagots. Yan, mga bago. May mga bago din. Marami silang choices actually. Oh, this is nice. Eminem. And then mga new. Grabe naman yan, maraming Sabrina. So new. Side A. This is side A couch. 아니 저희 친구도 오고 있는데. 아 지금 오고 계시죠? Sana madami akong pera para nakapag-shopping ako today. Unfortunately, wala tayong pang-shopping. Pang-window lang tayo. Window shopping. Yung sa Korean mall kasi, maaga silang natatapos. What I mean by that is, mga 8 PM pa lang, pasarado na. Unlike sa Philippines, umaabot tayo ng 12, but here, 8 to 9, patapos na. Uy, Pokemon! May Pokemon event! Nice! Tama ng pagpapanggap. Pag walang pera, magpalamig lang sa mall. Maganda rin sa labas eh, oh. Diba? Ayan yung parking lot for this mall. Punong-puno. Ganyan sa Korea. Yung convenience store. Tapos shabu-shabu yung kalapit eh. Yeah. Tapos ito na yung street. Mismong street na to. Yan o, tawiran. Ang daming tao today. Kita nyo naman sa sasakyan, di ba? May magmamine ka na lang sa kotse. Wala. Ganito sa Suwon. And we're still here at Starfield. We are here in Suwon. Ganda pala ng nightlife dito. And fortunately, yung hotel na nabook is quite near sa mga chicken restaurant. So, madaling mag-ikot-ikot. Here is our room for today. Oh! Pasta, wait ko na. Nice! So there's television, then towel. There's also a computer and the bed. Usually may aircon talaga and then may bath. Pahinga lang saglit tapos lalabas na ulit ako para makapag-enjoy. At di pa rin ako nagdi-dinner, so I'll just wait for a few minutes to rest, to charge, tapos dinner tayo sa labas. And see the life here in Suwon. Let's go. Gala na tayo. Let's go outside of Suwon. Let's go outside and explore Suwon. Hindi tayo lalabas ng Suwon. Ito yung sinasabi ko na ang ganda nung nakuha kong hotel, motel. Kasi malapit lang siya dyan. So imagine sa morning, marami ka pwedeng puntahan dito. Actually, habang naglalakad dito, amoy na amoy mo na yung fried chicken. Apparently, we're near the Suwon Chicken Street. Parang buong street siya puro fried chicken. Well, sa Suwon pala mahilig sila sa chicken. That's the reason why. 가자. 도착. Fried chicken kitchen. Meron ding Chinese restaurant. Buhay na buhay pa rin yung street, ha. It's already 8:18.
여기도 유명해.
Haemong chicken. Hindi nyo makita, di ba? Yan. Daming tao. Pero dito tayo kakain. Hindi nyo makita. Kay Chinmi. Tingpak. Since mahaba yung pila. Para mga 5, 6, 7, 8 families pa yung nasa unahan ng pila. So hindi mo na ako kakain. Baka mag-takeout na lang ako later. So pupuntahan ko na muna yung itinerary ko for tonight. Isa sa mga gates dito malapit sa Hwasong. And sobrang famous niya, especially for night time. Kasi sobrang ganda niya pag gabi. Pero appreciate din natin tong stream. Pwede ka maglakad sa baba. Ganda nun, oh, may moon. Ayun, oh. Wow. Wala nang cars since one way pala dito. Walang masyadong tao dito sa area na to ng Suwon. And this is school. We are near. Nakikita nyo na ba siya? Ganda niya, di ba? Kahit sa malayo. Ganito lang siya lumalabas. Kita nyo ba? Promise maganda siya sa totoong buhay. Ayan siya. Ganito siya sa malapitan. Narinig nyo naman yung tubig, di ba? Ganda, no? Ayan po, aakyat po tayo. Tapos may tunnel. Actually, ayun, no? We're at the back. Tapos ito yung mismong gate. Ayan. Nagpa-flow yung tubig. Tapos ito na siya. Pwede mo siyang akyatin hanggang dito. Sunod lang tayo sa mga tao para maakyat siya. Ayun, nasa ito. Ito na siya. I've been here ng maaraw. Ganda niya paggabi din pala. Sa paggabi. Ang dilim na dito sa side na ito, wala naman. Wala kami on. If you go up, you will see the balloon. And the palace. Feeling ko hindi to palace, parang guard post siya. Maliit eh. Pero makikita mo to. Yan na siya. Ganda rin dito sa taas. Just natin yung lighting para makita nyo.
저게 다리야 풍선이야.
Minsan sabi ko yung balloon. Masarap siyang akit. It goes up. Pwede siyang sakyan. Pauwi na tayo. Pagod na. Probably I'll just take out chicken, then sa bahay na sa hotel na kakainin. Pero see you tomorrow. Bye. Ito pala siya. Si Jimin Tak. Tungtak. Jinmin. Hi Jinmin. Sabi nila masarap ka daw. So the huride, I think that's the original flavor, and then 19,000 sa tungtak, yung fried chicken na whole 19 din, and then yung spicy chicken 20, and then yung half 20. Until 11 PM lang sila. It's 9:36. 1 hour and a half. So feeling ko 20 minutes yung pag-iintay sa pagkain. More or less. So good luck talaga. Pag-upo, order agad. Para dumating agad yung pagkain. So 20,000 won. Spicy, normal. Which one is better? Let's taste. Spicy. Ano? Hindi siya maanghang pero mainit.
어때? 근데 닭은 되게 조그만하다.
I like the spicy more than the regular. Kailangan sa isaw-saw. Busog. As in busog. Nabusog. That is like 800 pesos. Not sure how much is that in dollars. Siguro mga $20 din. Or mga $18. Pero not bad. Because chicken siya na fried. Tapos yung half fried din pero merong sauce. So ganun usually dito sa Korea. Tapos kumakain sila ng chicken without kanin. Without rice. Usually ang kapartner ng chicken talaga dito is beer. But tonight I did not drink beer kasi busog na busog ako. Hindi na kaya ng stomach ko magbe-beer pa, baka Masuka lang ako. Bye-bye. Anyway, see you tomorrow. Pagod na ako, uwi na ako. Doon ako ng hotel to sleep.
뭐가 돼지고기야? 하얀 거?